Hello guys, so I'm about to get my hair done. I just washed my hair and I'm gonna get them done. This is the hair that I'm using. I have two mats, but it's kind of like short. It's 16 inches. Now I am excited. Yes.
I bought this hair from ebonyline.com. It is 100 natural virgin human hair. So I choose the natural color in 16 inches. I believe they only have 12 and 16. And I love the texture. And if you do have short hair, 16 inches will work for you. However, if you have longer hair, you can actually use it as a crochet style, because at some point my hair was longer than the extension, and trust me, you will fall in love with it. And I can't wait to do the same style again using a longer length. Let's see how I get it done.
I did the hair. I'm getting used to it still, and it blends with my hair. They are almost the same length. At some point, I don't know where is my hair. It just literally blend with my hair. So now I'm using this is water and coconut oil that I've just sprayed, so I can style it the way I want to.